Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is Design Controls, General Requirements. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first Executive Series video that you've seen, please go back and watch the introduction. Finally, you can check out the video description below for links to any supporting information and an outline of the material. We have a standard agenda which covers 4 areas. You can see those 4 areas in the progress bar below. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to get those 3 bonus questions. Our requirement today, Design Controls General, comes directly from 820.30a and ISO 1345 Section 1, the scope, but also Section 7.3, product realization. The general design control requirements in 5 words. Device applicability to design controls. In this section, the FDA sets out which medical devices require design controls. All Class 2 and Class 3 medical devices require design controls. There is a selected group of Class 1 medical devices that also require design controls. There are 6 different specific Class 1 device types that require design controls. They are devices that have software in them, a tracheobronchial catheter, protective restraints, surgeon's gloves, and a radionuclide applicator and a radionuclide source. You can see that information directly in 820.30a. In Section 1 of 1345, it allows you to exclude design controls from your quality system if your medical device doesn't require that due to local regulations. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, we have design control procedures that define the design control process. Those design control procedures themselves, they dictate which medical devices are required to go through the design control process. And then finally, you document any exclusions from the design control requirements within your quality manual. How do I know this is not working? Well, first, my procedures are not clear on which medical devices require design controls, which ones do not. Second, if I do exclude design controls for any of my products, it's not clear why, and the rationale is not documented within my quality system. And then finally, for those products that do not require design controls, there's no process defined for how they are developed and designed. Now for the bonus. Do we make and sell any medical devices that do not require design controls? Second, if yes, what process do we follow for the design and development of those medical devices? Then third, do we have any exclusions to the quality system requirements documented within our quality manual? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.